Mystic, is there any company you'd like to see in particular? Sony, okay. We may have done Sony once before, so it might be quick. No, that's not it. Here's Sony. Let me start marking up this chart. Okay, Mystic. So here we have Sony. I'm gonna add that to my list here. For anyone who's new here, my name's Ethan. You can visit my website, ethanwrenn.com. From there, you can find all my various socials, whether it be Twitter, social, YouTube, Instagram, Discord, all the above. Make sure to go follow if you want to stay up to date with all the latest information. This is Sony Group Corporation. Sony is kind of like one of those companies that does a little bit of everything. That being said, the biggest thing they're probably working on right now would be their consoles. I don't know if PlayStation 5s necessarily turn a profit. I know a lot of PlayStations of past, including Xboxes, have been actually sold at a loss in order to get an install base, which they can then sell games to, etc. With the Nintendo consoles being the exception of that rule. Now, Sony has been appreciating ever since 2013 very well. If you look at the monthly 20 moving average, it seems to follow it quite strictly. It did end red today. Not just one day. We're focused on the bigger picture here. With the bigger picture in mind, I am kind of worried about that 157 resistance that was set in the 2000 era, way back here. That would be my biggest concern. As far as fundamentals, financials, in 2017 they had a 5.74% profit margin. In 2018 they had a 10.55% profit margin. In 2019 they had a 7.07% profit margin, and in 2020 they had a 12.87% profit margin. Now, electronics like computer components and things like this don't really pull the biggest margins to begin with, so I guess that's all right. Again, 2020 was the year the PS5 released, so that's why they did better than 2019, where 7 to 12%. Ideally, you'd want your average in a stock like this to be in that $10 range, but I know that's like a lot to ask. But everything has its peaks and valleys, I don't know if I'd be scaling in at its current valuation of $139.75 billion. But it's a very topical ticker. Very topical, often talked about. No dividend. They mostly hit earnings, but analyst expectations are super soft, so meh. Other than that, I think that is there anything else you guys would like me to cover today? I'm more than willing to take recommendations in chat if anyone's interested. Speak now, forever hold your peace. I've pretty much got through my entire list. We've been going for about 6 hours and 15 minutes now. If you're not already, make sure to follow the stream to stay up to date with all the latest information. Check out my website. From there, you can visit my Twitter, Instagram, Discord, Reddit, all the above. If you really want to get a hold of me, Discord's where it's at. We have a bunch of tools in there that you can use to further your trading. For example, our news RSS feeds, etc. So yeah, make sure to join the Discord. If you're from the stream, let me know. Thank you guys so much for your time. I really appreciate it. We had a very long stream today, and a lot of you stuck around. I really appreciate it so much. Thank you. Maybe we'll do this more often. We'll see. Thank you one more time. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Very long stream. You guys spent a lot of time with me. I appreciate it. Everyone who showed up, thank you. Bye.